in 25 DCCR 0170, charged with assault on a public servant, and in 25 DCCR 0278, charged with assault of hospital personnel. And Ms. Bailey was evaluated for competency to stand trial by Dr. Gapon. I received that report dated April 22nd of 2025. Dr. Gapon makes the finding in each of these cases that Ms. Bailey is currently not competent to stand trial and that inpatient treatment for competency restoration is warranted. Is there any other evidence with regard to competency, Mr. Parker?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Nichols?
No, Your Honor.
Then at this time, based on that report, I am going to find Ms. Bailey not competent to stand trial.
This is a huge moment. Being declared not competent to stand trial means the court believes she can't currently understand or participate in her own defense. But here's the twist. It doesn't mean she's off the hook. Do you think mental health should pause justice, or is that just another delay tactic? Let us know below.
Order that inpatient treatment for competency restoration be provided at the appropriate facility, and that to at that facility for a period of not to exceed 120 days from the date Ms. Bailey gets there, and we will await to hear if she has been restored at the end of that 120 days. You can go back with the bailiff, ma'am.
120 days?
Well, they're going to send you to a hospital to get you some help to make sure you understand everything better. And so cooperate with everything they want you to do, and we'll get you back here and get your cases taken care of, okay?
So I'm going to the hospital, then back to jail?
Yes, ma'am.
120 days at the hospital?
Well, it depends if you do what they say at the hospital and follow all the instructions, medication, whatever it is, so that you have a better understanding of everything that's going on. Okay?
I don't need medicine to understand.
You can go back with the bailiff.
I don't get it. Why y'all taking me to the hospital then back to jail? What does that mean?
Good morning, sir. Are you Esker Boykin?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
You will, Your Honor.
Mr. Boykin, in cause number 25 DCCR 0351, the state has elected to proceed on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault from March 5th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed those documents on the computer, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
It's that paper, the computer we went over.
Yeah.
And do you understand what you signed with him?
Not all not clear set in my mind, but
Okay. Well, do you understand that if I follow this agreement that you've made, which is for a 2-year deferred probation, that
Probation sounds light, but it's no free ride. One slip up, and the full criminal charge comes back. And listen closely, he's not even sure what he agreed to. How many people plead just to get out without fully understanding the deal?
you wouldn't be able to change your mind later?
yeah.
Okay, and you understand that the agreement that you've
What
reached,
is probation? It's
So-
my first time
It's flex.
criminal. Nice as a criminal.
so,
Locked up as a criminal.
All right.
It's affected disorder.
right, understand, Mr. Parker.
Last thing I know, I was in jail and I blacked out. Then the next thing I know, I'm in the hospital.
Okay,
I go to Spindle Top now.
I understand. I need to make sure,
I've explained to him, Judge, that the required probation, he'd have to report once a month. He has some fines and fees that we go with that. There's no fine, there's just the court costs.
probation is where you have a supervision officer that makes sure you're doing everything you're supposed to be doing. Community,
Like what?
Not get in trouble.
In trouble for what?
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to reset the case. Mr. Boykin, I'm gonna have a doctor come visit with you to make sure you understand everything that's going on before we go forward.
That confession naked, unfed, blacked out paints a dark picture of the jail experience. It's easy to judge someone in court, but moments like this remind us there is always a story behind the charges. What's your take personal accountability or systemic failure?
Okay? So when they come out to the jail or visit with you online, you need to make sure and visit with them, answer all their questions. Yes, sir. I gotta make sure, I gotta make sure you understand everything that's going on.
That's my first time blacking out like that. I was in jail and I
Okay.
didn't get fed.